Welcome back to our series on becoming a cybersecurity engineer. So far, we've explored various facets of cybersecurity, from the fundamentals to key tools and techniques, and the role of programming. Today, we're going to zoom in on a particular programming language that's highly valued in the cybersecurity field, Python. Python is renowned for its simplicity and readability, making it a great language for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's a powerful language used by major organizations like Google, NASA, and Reddit. In cybersecurity, Python is especially useful for tasks such as automation, network scanning, and penetration testing. For example, let's take the case of the Ashley Madison breach in 2015. In this scandal, hackers leaked the private data of millions of users from the extramarital affair website. Python scripts were later used by cybersecurity professionals to analyze the data, find patterns, and understand the extent of the breach. Over the next few episodes, we'll delve deeper into Python. We'll look at how you can use it for automating tasks, analyzing security data, and even writing your own security tools. So, if you're keen to add Python to your cybersecurity toolkit, stick around. Remember, as an aspiring cybersecurity engineer, the learning never stops. Each new skill, each new tool, and each new language you learn is another asset that can help you excel in your career. As Bruce Schneier, a renowned security technologist, once said, "Security is a process, not a product." By learning Python, you're enhancing your process and bringing yourself one step closer to becoming a top-notch cybersecurity engineer. Thank you for joining me in this episode. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions and comments below. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode where we'll start exploring Python's applications in cybersecurity. Until then, keep learning and stay safe.